City farms can be a great place to get pictures of animals, and this one here, Brooks Farm in London, is packed with alpacas and chickens and turkeys and donkeys, all sorts. But let's not forget some of the more exotic animals as well. Now, sometimes these do have their own challenges, whether they're inside enclosures or behind glass, but that doesn't mean we can't take great pictures of them. Let's have a go. Now, the great thing about many city farms is that they will let you have some hands-on time with the animals sometimes if you ask very nicely. So we've got Littlefoot here, who is the fastest tortoise that I've ever seen. Now, he's coming towards me now. Again, getting down to meet them at eye level, getting the camera low down as well. And it is a question with this fella of anticipating where he's going to go next. Now, going underneath the cabinets isn't something that I anticipated. It's coming out, it's coming out. It can actually make quite a fun shot. There we go. You're getting lots of exercise here, aren't you? Oh, beautiful. Now again, you aren't always going to have great control of the background or the environment, so you've got to use what you've got. The shot that I got just there had this breeze block in the background. It actually looked like quite a natural environment for you, didn't it? Try and work out where your subject's moving and give yourself a second's worth of notice. Sometimes the animals that you want to take pictures of are going to be inside glass enclosures. That doesn't mean you can't take pictures of them, but there's a few things that you need to think about. First of all is reflection. Now, this can act a bit like a mirror, and if I take a picture from a side, then actually what I'm seeing more of here is the rest of the room and not what's inside the enclosure. So what you want to do is to get right up to the glass, as close as you possibly can, and then here it looks as though the camera's inside the enclosure. So just following where the action is, what you don't want to do is start tapping the glass, because that will distress the animal. It's a case of being patient. Now, what I'm doing is trying to meet this tortoise where it's at, getting nice and low down, and what that's doing is it's bringing a foreground and background. The wood chippings on the floor of this become a little bit larger and play with a sense of scale. Here it comes. This tortoise now looks like a giant tortoise, which is quite fun. It is a case of being patient, find a nice setup and hope that they come towards you. This looks as though I'm capturing this tortoise almost in the wild. Fantastic.